Hey guys, my name is Callie and I'm going to show you how to set up your new 2018 Cabrinha double agent foil board. So let's do a quick inventory, make sure you have everything that you're supposed to. There are a few different ways you can set up your board. One option is just to go totally strapless. If you are going to be riding straps, they're designed to have the wider section going towards the tip and tail of the board. So 3 strap setup, you're going to have it the wider section this way, angling that way, and then angling towards the tail of the board. If you're rocking the 2 strap setup, it's going to be wider section that way, wider section that way, and 1 strap obviously would be like that or like that. If you are going to be using your fins, the 50 millimeters go in front, so your 50 mils are going to be here, and then the shorter 30 millimeter fins are going to be in the back. Those are kind of optional things. I'm not going to ride with fins, so I'm not going to put them on. So if you are choosing to use fins, make sure you are hand screwing it in, not using a power tool. Make sure your screw is seated properly and that you're not cross-threading anything. Alright, so now the fun part, let's start putting together our foil. Grab our mast, and we're going to want the thicker part of our mast pointing towards the nose of our board. And then we're going to put our board up on its side, and we're going to take 2 of our smaller screws and slide them in. Grab your hex key and screw them into your mounting plate, making sure that you're not cross-threading anything. Grab 2 more small screws to screw into your top plate. Just gradually go around to each bolt and tighten it. Alright, so now we're going to put the fuselage onto the mast. So put your board upside down on its deck. Grab your fuselage and your 2 longer hex bolts. Alright, so now we have our fuselage on our mast. The shorter nub should be pointing towards the tip of the board, and the longer part of the fuselage should be pointing towards the tail. Alright, so now we're going to put on our wings. So grab your front wing, which is the larger of the 2, and you're going to have the gray side facing up and this part facing the nose of the board. And then you're going to put your wing on top of your fuselage here, and then your bolts also go down into your wing and then into your fuselage. So, and now we'll do the tail, and you should be using your last 2 little bolts. And again, this gray part should be facing up, and you're going to mount through your wing and into your fuselage. So one last thing we want to do before we go ride is double check all of our bolts, make sure they're tight. Thanks for watching this video, hope it was helpful, and have fun on your new foil.